Hello folks, today in this video I'll show you something different. Actually, whenever we go or we watch video or a tutorial about Arduino and how to code it, they always ask us for, hey, you need an Arduino board and some jumper wires and modules to start working with that. And also we don't forget about the cable they want here. And I tried many times, like I want to connect them, and yeah, that's fine. I mean, they works, but they are like kind of messy, and sometimes you don't have that module, or you can't test it, or maybe there's a wrong wiring, or the jumper wire is not working, and a lot of problems that actually for me, my personal, whenever I try like to code, I feel like I think about like wiring and all this stuff, and I just I give up and I stop coding. But in this video, I will be showing you something totally different, something, the kit that covered everything. That's everybody of us that's waiting for it. Actually, it works for with the beginners. If you don't know anything, that kit, it's amazing. Let's talk about it. Let's get rid of all these right here. And today's video we will be talking about the coding array kit. This kit is amazing. I've been working with it and I've learned a lot of stuff without need any jumper wires, not even a single jumper wire, not any module, because it comes with it. So this coding array kit, it's been made by Arduino Story. Let's go ahead and open it. Actually, when you order it, you will get it on this case, and this is just a wonderful case. It's just nice. You can take it with you. Let's go ahead and open it. As you can see here, this one has a very nice component sheet. It's already stick to the case, and we have this very simple small Arduino guide in here, what they call the coding array guide. And if you scan this QR code right here, let me see if I can get it clear. If you can scan that one, it will take you actually to their website, and their website have downloadable PDF file for step by step how to use this kit. And actually it has all the source codes, and actually it's for everybody who is beginner, intermediate, and it has a lot of things that you're gonna learn with it. I have a lot of experience with Arduino, and when I looked at it, it has a lot of information that I didn't know about it. I mean, it's very nice to go look at it. I'll put the link for that one, for their website, in the description, so you can give it a visit. And let's open that one. Yeah, it has a nice explanation about each module, what it does. You see that one? Yep. And regarding that one, let's put that one on the side. And yeah, with the kit, it comes with these wires. I don't think we're gonna use them, but these are there if you want. We're gonna talk about them later. Let's just keep this bypass that one for now. And here, that the USB cable for the Arduino, and you have a magnet card that is gonna be used with one of the module, which is called the effect hall, and that's can determine which side of the magnet that you are using. It's a very nice module. And this one is like some stands for the kit. And actually on this bag, it comes with the servo motor, which I already installed. As you can see here, I'll show you in a bit. It's already installed and has some three shapes actually of the arm of it. Let's see what's in there. Gonna take that one there, and here's the kit. Let's go ahead and take it. If you can see, everything that you needed in one board. Everything. I don't mean that every single module in the world you have seen, but what is mostly used to learn Arduino. If there is like some module that they are not there, I mean there is instead of them. I mean these modules here, analog modules, and these are like a uh, digital modules here. Let's get started, and let's get started talking about the this board and what it has. This board has 15 module. It's separated by actually divided by two uh, wings, analog wing right here, and we have digital wing right here. And let's talk about the analog pin first. The analog pin, it has the potentiometer, the slider potentiometer, and it has a photoresistor module right here. It has Hall effect module right here, and this sensor can identify which the magnet, which side is it, if it's north or it's a south side of the magnet. You have a microphone module here, and this thermistor module, and this is the flame module. And what's nice about it, it has a little what they call it, it's the bidirection logic level converter. It's what it does, it converts the logic level voltage level from the 3.3 volt to 5 volt and vice versa. And right here we have that Arduino kit. We have that Arduino board. It's already connected. By the way, these modules are already connected to the Arduino. You don't have to connect. You don't need to connect anything by the wiring. And I will talk to that in a bit. And on this side, let's keep this one for the later. On this side, we have LCD module. We have LED module. We have, this is the temperature and humidity sensor. We have RGB LEDs right here connected, and we have a button, and we have a touch sensor here, passive buzzer. We have a servo motor, and we have an ultrasonic module right here. And this one is the I/O expansion. What it does, do you see that tap cutter right here? That tap cutter, you can take it off, and you can use it to cut this one, this I/O expansion, and put that one. You can put it right here, just on top of the Arduino right here. And what it does, let's say if you want to use this one for different things, you can cut it using the tap cutter. You can cut it from here, and then just connect the wires that I show you. Let me see. Right here, you can use their wires, and these are nice, and see how nice they are. These are the connectors, and each connector that you see here on the I/O expansion, it's already labeled to which module it goes. For example, I'm going to use one of the cables right here. If I want to use what they call it, if I want to use the I'm going to use this one for the potentiometer, for the slider potentiometer. So do you see that? How black, red, and yellow? I'm going to connect it to the A1 right here. And if let's assume that this part we took it off, and all we need is just go ahead and connect it right there. That's simple and easy, and there is enough wires for each one. Okay, and also there is one for the LCD. If you can see here, because it has 4 pins, is different than the others. You can just slide it there, and from here you can slide it right there. As you can see, I don't know if this, yeah, this is for the LCD, correct. Simple and easy. I mean, that's if you want to take them, but I don't recommend them because that kit is just amazing as it is. Because if you want to use this one for external, you can get these modules. They are very cheap. I would love to. I recommend you guys to just keep it as it is for learning purpose. All right. And let me talk about what they call the LCD. The LCD is using the I2C connection, and the I2C of the Arduino are actually connected to the A4 and A5. A4 and A5 are connected to the module, to the flame module, and to the thermistor module. So what if you can see here, there's a little switch here. Let me try to focus on it. Here you go. As you can see, this is a little switch. So we can't use the LCD and these two modules at the same time. The reason is these modules both are connected to the A4 and A5, and at the same time that LCD is using the A4 and A5 for the I2C communication. So if you want to use the LCD screen, you need to turn it on. And as you can see here, it says I2C. So you need to turn it on. If you want to use these two modules, you're gonna go and turn on the A simple in here. As you can, it says A simple. That means the analog, you are turning on the the analog pins. If you go to the I2C, you are turning on the I2C pins. All right, and yeah, this one, it has, just a USB cable. It comes with the connects here, and the the DC connector right here. And what else we have about it? It has, in each module of them, it's already labeled. For example, let me give you this button module. Do you see how nice is it? Right here it says to which pin is connected and what is used, because this bottom right now, it has like a resistor, and it's connected to the ground, which is active low. Now when you push it, it has to go high, so it's not gonna be floating. That's the reason for they put the resistor in there. And also, if you can see that the DP switches in here, what they do, if you are using, let's say if you are using this button, you go to the number A and turn it on as it is right now. If you don't want to use this one, but you want to use the pin number 8 for different sensor or different button that's external, you gotta go here, just turn it off, and then now you can use this one to whatever you want, this pin to whatever you want. You are not tied to use this button at all. If you want to use it, you can just turn it on. And that's the same thing. This is for the digital side, and this is for the analog side. It's the same thing. And also, let me focus the camera again. Alright, and as you can see here, there's a little dip switch in here. Two dip switches. This one to turn on the 5 volt, and this one is to turn on the 3 volt on the board. What I mean is, sometimes you want to, let's say you want to use this potentiometer, but you are willing, like you want to use a different power supply than the Arduino board. So what you're gonna do is you can just turn off that 5 volt on the board, and you can use this one. The pin is gonna be still connected to the A5, but what it happens is that the voltage is not gonna work on this one, and actually it's not gonna work on all the board. It's not only this one. Let me go ahead and just connect it. I'll show you what it does. Actually, I have some code running on it. So as you can see, each module has LED indicating that it has a power on it. If I want to turn off that's for the 3.3 volt, and if I want to turn off the power and use external power, I can go ahead and turn it off. Do that, bang, turn it on. It's gonna reset, and I have some code in there. If I push that one, we'll turn on keeps flashing that one. If I release it, it's gonna turn it on. So some stuff like that. I mean, this kit, it's really amazing, and I highly recommend it for everybody. If you have any question, go to their website. I'll put it in the description. And they have a very nice community there. Post your question, post your problem if you already have it, and they will get back to you as soon as possible. And also you can get this kit, I'll put the link below, from Amazon for $76. Yeah, and with the free shipping, and you will get this kit with the box and on all that components that I just talked about them. And also that the website that they have, it has again downloadable PDF file that has 140 page that includes all the codes and step by step how to use the modules and how to use the Arduino. It's very very good for teachers who are trying to teach students, and it's very good for beginners who are trying just get into the Arduino boards, and actually for intermediate level of Arduino coding, or whoever trying to learn the C coding. It's very nice kit. This kit, you can take it with you wherever you want. It's just as simple as kit, cable, computer, and you are good to go. You can learn whatever you want. Actually, I was in the park, and I just connected them and I was working on it. It was very nice to do it. That's wrap it up for today's video. If you guys have any question, please leave it in the comment, and see you in the next video.